Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, October 31st, 1999, 8 am. Michelle was expecting a conclusion to this third series. We will give it to him. You all have done, in your respective ways, a very good work with these messages. We appreciate and we thank you. This is a material work which is not negligible. The spiritual impact is very interesting. They have made you progress. Your mind has opened up on certain aspects characterizing the human being in general and concerning you too. They enable you to observe yourself and to analyze behavior which you can try to modify. Therefore, all this work is positive. By reading again these writings and by becoming more imbued with them, you will be able to measure the long way you have come. What they produce in you in terms of effect will be the same on your brothers and sisters who will read them and try to absorb them. A simple reading is not sufficient. A second reading is better. There is in them much more depth than it may seem from the first impression. This is why repetitions are necessary. We give you food for thought. It's up to you to assimilate them as is proper. Perhaps they will transform your life if they actually reach their objective. It is up to you to decide. We bless you all and we will continue since the heart unanimously asks for continuation. Babuji. Sunday, October 31st, 1999, 10 am. There would still be many things to tell you, but we cannot do it as we are to remain within certain limits. We have stated in the first series truths that will shock without fail. We must advance prudently. Generally accepted ideas should not be shaken up too much. The only truth on which you must concentrate is your personal progress. You have already understood it for a long time and you are making efforts to progress. We will never come back enough to the fact that they must relate to the connection with the inner master. It all lies there inside you. It's the living master's work to make you progress in this direction and to make you go further and further into this discovery. There is a divine miracle, this presence in you, the omnipresence. You have always been closely connected to the Creator, but perhaps you did not know it. It would be better to say that you were not really aware of it. See only this objective to be achieved, total perfect union with the divinity that dwells in you. The important point is well targeted. Do your practice and never lose sight of our teachings, Babuji.